Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to do Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack Skellington is still a very popular figure with Halloween. Obviously, who doesn't love The Nightmare Before Christmas? So I thought, let's do a Jack Skellington as well. So if you want to know how you can create one just like this, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. Before I started filming today, I quickly put on my latex bald cap by Maron, in which I put my ears, as Jack Skellington doesn't really have any ears. And I also blocked my eyebrows with a bit of Pros-Aid. So I skipped it again for this video, but if you want to know how you can apply a bald cap or how you can block your eyebrows, there are different videos in the description box down below for you to watch if you want more on these two techniques. So for the base color, we obviously need white. This is white by Superstar, and I'm gonna apply it to my skin with a big brush by Titanic Effects, basically because that way we have the white on the skin quickest. So I kind of debated with myself before I started filming today if I wanted to do the round Jack Skellington face and make the back of my head black to get the illusion of my face being round, or if I would just paint my entire head white and make it a makeup you can wear out to a party. And I settled with the last one because, well, all my makeups are meant to wear to a party or an event, and I don't want to make an exception for my Jack Skellington. But if you want to do this just for pictures, you could also just make a round shape on your face and make the rest black to mimic the face shape that Jack Skellington has. And I'm working with water-based face paint over the latex bald cap. It is easier to put a product like grease paint over there or alcohol activated makeup, and water-based face paint will work just fine, but as you can see, it is very stripy if you want to do it very quickly. But we will just apply a few layers and then we will also be white. So we'll stop the white at my jawline. Now we have the white base. First up we're gonna paint the eyes, and for that I have the black by Maron Paradise, also a water-based face paint and a detail brush by Titanic Effects. So his eyes have many different shapes depending on his mood. I decided to settle with kind of a neutral looking eye shape. That is it for the shape of the eyes. I do need to make my waterline black, but basically that is the shape I want. Then for the nose, Jack's nostrils are pretty high up his nose. They are very close to the eyes, but obviously I can't hide my own nostrils. So I think I will just turn mine into his. Yes. Because otherwise I would have 4 nostrils and that would be weird as well. And there is the other one. So that gives me kind of that skeleton nose without getting 4 nostrils. Before I will continue to the mouth, I will quickly paint my neck black as well. And I'm also doing this with the same black by Maron. I have the black Star Blend by Maron. This is a pressed powder, and I will just quickly put it over the water-based face paint I put on my eyes. Being careful not to get that powder everywhere. But putting powder over water-based face paint on your eyes helps it to stay there longer and more beautiful. Now, I know Jack Skellington is basically just black and white, but I do somehow want to put some shadows in this makeup. So I have the Monster Grey Star Blend by Meron, also a pressed powder, which I will use to put some shadows around those eyes. Basically because I think it will look better if there are some shadows there. Oh my god, my eye has actually started to tear up. Can you see how much black paint there is on there? So hopefully it won't get past this point. So let me try to fix that in a minute. Quickly back to the white for a highlight. And yes, it is hard to highlight over white because white is already the lightest color, but I wanted to try it anyway. The mouth is very big. It should come all the way up to my ear, and it should be the same on both sides. So let's start with my easiest side, which is the left side of my face. That is a very big mouth, and then there are loads of stripes to make that mouth. With the Monster Grey Star Blend, I will just apply a subtle shadow on the lower side of those, well, stitches, lips. I still have to fix the eyes, but I just quickly already wanted to get the costume on. So I have a black pencil liner by Meron, and with that I'm gonna color my waterline black. Actually, I'm gonna color as much of my eyes black as I can. So my left eye is kind of giving me a hard time today. Don't know why it keeps tearing up. I should definitely put my sclera lenses in. I have some Q-tips ready. Might I get tears from putting in those sclera lenses? And that shows you that the best tip of this video today must be apply your lenses before you start doing your makeup. That way you can just give it a few minutes before you start and you don't have to worry about your black eye makeup getting onto your white face. But with that, my Jack Skellington makeup for today is done. So this was a real easy one. It's just black and white with a few shadows. But I know that Jack Skellington is very popular with Halloween, so maybe I could help you to become him for this Halloween. Yes. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and of course I hope to see you back here tomorrow when we have a new Halloween video especially for you.